Imagine your brain suddenly sending abnormal signals that you cannot control. Your body may shake, you may lose awareness, or you may stare blankly for a few seconds without realizing it. These episodes are called seizures, and when they happen repeatedly, the condition is known as epilepsy. So what exactly is epilepsy? Epilepsy is a neurological disorder in which a person experiences recurrent, unprovoked seizures. Seizures occur when there is a sudden burst of abnormal electrical activity in the brain, disrupting normal communication between neurons. The brain normally works through controlled electrical signals that allow different parts to communicate. In epilepsy, these signals become disorganized and excessive, leading to a temporary disturbance in brain function. There are different types of seizures, depending on which part of the brain is affected. Focal seizures begin in one area of the brain and may affect awareness or movement in a specific part of the body. Generalized seizures involve both sides of the brain and can cause loss of consciousness and full body movements, such as shaking or stiffening. Symptoms of seizures can vary. Some people experience sudden jerking movements, while others may have brief lapses in awareness, confusion, or unusual sensations. The duration of a seizure can range from a few seconds to a few minutes. Epilepsy can have different causes. It may be linked to genetic factors, brain injury, infections, or developmental conditions. In many cases, the exact cause is not clearly identified. What is known is that epilepsy affects how electrical signals are regulated in the brain. The understanding of epilepsy has improved over time as scientists studied brain activity and discovered how neurons communicate through electrical impulses. Although epilepsy can be serious, it is often manageable. Treatment typically ends medications that help control abnormal electrical activity in the brain. In some cases, surgery or specialized therapies may be used if medications are not effective. Lifestyle adjustments, such as proper sleep and avoiding triggers, can also help reduce the frequency of seizures. Modern technology is playing an important role in epilepsy care. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to analyze brain signals, detect seizure patterns, and even predict when a seizure might occur. Wearable devices and monitoring systems are also helping patients and doctors manage the condition more effectively. Epilepsy is a condition that affects how the brain sends electrical signals, leading to repeated seizures. Understanding how it works helps reduce stigma, improve awareness, and support those living with the condition through better diagnosis and treatment.